Day 2 of training cross until I'm sub 3. Our scramble is as follows. You guys can follow along as well, so we can just figure this stuff out together. Because one thing I've realized with cross 2 is it's a bit, I mean, it's of course more intuitive than say OLL or PLL, which is why it's so difficult to learn. But anyway, let's get into it. So we've got green and it's in its place. That is in its incorrect place. Okay, so JPerm always talks about bad edges and says solve these as quickly as you can. So that's what I'm trying to do now. How can I solve this in with this? So I can just go boom, boom. Okay, I could go R prime, D prime, R prime. No, that does not work. Wait, it does. So it's R prime, D prime, and this, what the heck? This would be here. Alright, so R prime, D prime, the blue piece would be here, and then I insert orange here, and then, so that's going to be R prime, D prime, L, D prime again, then FR, right? I think that works. So it's R prime, D prime, L, D prime, FR. That works. How many moves is that? R prime, D prime, L, D prime, F prime, R. 6 moves. Not bad. My finger tricks could have been better. But yeah, we're still learning.